In this video, we'll look at intra-region routing through a centrally shared VCN and OCI Network Firewall using LPG. Here we deployed an OCI Network Firewall in central service of VCN. The application spoke VCN and the service of VCNs are connected by LPGs. Using LPG for inter-VCN connectivity within a region is a legacy approach. It's less preferred compared to the DRGs because of its limited scalability, but it can be still used in certain scenarios. In this design, the web tier and app tier of the application are placed in two subnets within the same VCN. Subnet route rules are configured between the two subnets using LPG as the target. The LPG routes application traffic to the OCI network firewall in the service sub VCN for inspection. Let's look at the routing and traffic flow. Traffic originating from a source instance in the web tier subnet is forwarded to the LPG using its subnet route table entry destined to the app tier subnet. The service of VCN LPG route table has ingress routing configured and is used to forward the traffic to the private IP of the OCI network firewall instead of routing directly to the app tier subnet in the app VCN. If the traffic is permitted, OCI network firewall forwards the traffic to the LPG using its subnet route table entry. The app VCN LPG route table has local ingress routing configured and it is used to forward the traffic to the destination. The return traffic from the application tier instance is forwarded to the LPG using app subnet's route table entry that targets the service of VCN for the return path. The app VCN LPG route table, which has local ingress routing, sends the traffic to the private IP address of the OCI network firewall in the service of VCN. Upon receiving the return traffic, OCI network firewall inspects it and forwards it back to the LPG in the service of VCN using its subnet route table entry. The service of LPG route table, which has ingress routing, forwards the traffic to the web tier subnet in the app VCN, delivering it to the source instance. Created the environment we just discussed with the subnet route table pointing to LPG and the LPG route table pointing to firewall IP. We'll trace the traffic path using MTR to see if it is working as intended. Let me log into the VM. Okay, my source IP is 10.1.1.6 and my destination is 10.1.2.222, which is assigned to the app VM. Let me try and reach that. I'm able to connect. Let's do an MTR. Yes. So as expected, the first hop is firewall because this is an LPG connection, is kind of a point-to-point in a one-on-one mapping. So it goes directly to the firewall. After the firewall, it goes to the destination, which is app VM. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.